a little smaller amount because I just want to bond this frame on this. So I'm gonna just do it right in the center. I don't need whole nails yet. I don't know if I'm gonna do a whole nails, but I'm gonna do this one first, and then I'm gonna show you some cool thing I will share with you, which is this bonnet. Because I'm gonna put more condensed glue gels on it. Okay, maybe it should be good enough. Look at how like thick density is. Okay. I'm gonna move this guys away. Sorry, I just want to share with you. So now I'm gonna place this guys right there. I'm not done yet, so that's why I didn't put a top coat on. Just place it right in the center, or however you would like. You can do it on the top right there. You can do it right in the middle. I'm gonna do it here for about 30 seconds, flash here. So then I can be secure that frames in that place. It looks so bright though. It looks so bright. Probably because it's, hold on. Okay. I don't want the nails to be, the frame I want to be in the center. You can do on the top. 30 seconds, please. Thank you. And you would need one of the little tweezers right there. And then I'm gonna using condensed glue gels again. Yes, they are on the website. The frame is available now for everyone. There's so many different. I can't wait until playing all different ones. There are 4 different shapes. The heart, the perfect drop, I think. Okay. Now I am going to using more, and usually if you don't want to put any pictures on the stickers or whatever, you don't want to, you can place the foil, the beads, and however you want to place them on. It looks so stunning though. I just fill that in. Just lead. Looks good. I just want to make sure that I can get it balanced. Just fill it in. No, that's hold on one second. It's stunning though. If you don't do any sticker on it, you can put beads on or foil flake or anything. Sarah did some really cool stunning designs as well. She did awesome. Great. So I'm gonna cure for 30 seconds, 60 seconds. Just because I feel the frame on. Okay. Yeah, to make sure it clear, because then it make, and then now after that, then we're gonna place the sticker you want. This process, when you do for the clients or when you're doing it, any designs like this, it doesn't take that much long. I just show you step by step, so then you can place with it. But if you have some other ways that you're doing it stunning, is share with us. We would love to also to learn as well. Oh, Sarah, just, yes, my phone too. I have to delete a lot of like video take a lot of space, Sarah. Oh, thank you so much, Tef. Thanks so much. And I have to delete a lot, Sarah, every day when I trying to have upload thing, and then I have to delete it, or I have to like load on YouTube before you can do it again, or otherwise it would not let me do anything else. So, and I have to upload it and then I have to delete it on the phone, so then it have the capacity, and then picture will take to, you know what is the take the most to? Is texting. If you go into your is texting, it has a lot of, it take a lot of your space, huh? Texting with the big pictures. So I have to go into the setting, and then I have to get the all the picture deleted. If some picture important from my kid's school, the teacher text, and I'll keep that. But if not, then I delete it, or I save it, send it to my Facebook, and I delete it on the phone. Should we do this image right here, or should we do Virgin Mary in this? This one look good. You can do anything, like, and they can do a frame. Can you take this off? I don't want to touch my finger in there. Either one, if you have something, or just a paper or whatever, give it a little bit. Let me move it closer. This one is so bright right now. And let me show it closer. Can you see it closer now? Facebook, Instagram, yeah? Looks great. Awesome. All right, so now I'm gonna give it a little bit, one thin coat of condensed glue gel, just really thin coat, and float the top coat on, and this frame are completely done, and I'm gonna move on the designs right around with that. Just condensed glue gel, just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot, just to completely seal my image into the frame. I'm feeling like I'm doing like a Michael or Joanne's work, like framing stuff. It's beautiful. Do you know what it does? I don't know if we will have our images is that small, huh? You think? I would make one like this. 3 of my little kids. Put in like frame like this. So I do it so then that makes sure that all that is stay nice in frame. Good. And it's make the image, it looks like even too. It looks really pretty much even. Okay, can you? And then no white top coat. And I'm gonna using the same techniques. I'm floating on the top. Great. It looks really cool though, everyone. It looks really nice, and I see that it's even though it's under the light. You can see that. If you feel any lopsided or spot you need to fill in, you can, but I'm gonna key it for 60 seconds. It looks good. Karen said, I need that nails. I know, right? Because it looks so cute and stunning. Hey, Jessica. Jessica, we're doing your nails right now. Jennifer, I think it's called Gold Frame. What is it called? Gold Frame, that one?
Golden metal frame.
Golden metal frame. It's really really stunning. It's really cool that it's thick enough that you can do it like a 3-dimension. Like, it's really stunning though. You can place your foil, you can place your flake foil, you can even like place some of this on it to make it like it's 3-dimensional in there. Look great. Here there's some cool thing, tip and trick. If you want and like you're happy with this, you can place some, you know, the crocs right there. But I'm gonna share with you something a little bit different. I think I have some, just a little bit, some stuff in there. Okay, so I am going to using precision glue first before I place more designs on it to make sure this frame is completely sealed and protect. You know what? If you're doing this yourself at home now, you practice, or you're doing it for the clients, this process doesn't take you much long. I love it when I share really detailed, so then I rather you got all full tutorial so you can do it so much easier instead of getting, you know, troubleshootings and beautiful. So we seal this, so then make sure all the gap and edge just not gonna be catching on the client's hair. So really here for 30 seconds, 60 seconds, but I am going to do gels on it, so I'm not worried about it. And I'm gonna do full cure in after that. I'm close the red cap, so then it's gonna keep and protect. And I'm gonna using really stunning. We have our traditional pure whites, but this is like because you asked for it, that's for you right here. This guy is so freaking stunning. I can't wait to do more like pigments and everything else with that. It's okay, 30 seconds. Or the reason it is, I really freaking love it because it have precision brush, okay? Like it have a longer strikes brush. You see we're using our precision, hold on, twin tip brush. I said, what a precision, we didn't have it. And then we have to using what we're using a twin tip brush is smaller, shorter, but this one had a longer stripes. So I'm gonna do give it a long stripe, white on white. I don't know if we can see it.
Barely.
It's okay. It's supposed to be, I want to keep it for Virgin Mary's white. So can you see? Hold on.
Yeah, everybody can see. Oh, I think I know what you do. So shiny.
Yes, I'm gonna do this. You can either, if you have twin tip brush and you have the gel painting, you are good to go. Now you can see a little bit better. But I just want to share with you this.
Okay, I get it. I take that.
So just continue doing it if you want to be a little bit thicker. I'm going to be doing a little bit thicker because later on I am going to apply the chromes on it. I'm gonna probably doing unicorn chromes. It's just like, just imagine it, you draw it from a center, but because we have a picture of the Virgin Mary, so we are doing it right on the edges of the frame. Okay, make sure that Instagram can see me. And also, you don't have to do white. You can do any picture, any colors you would prefer, you know. Just some preference. I think it looks good in like red. Blue, it looks good too. You think? A background in a black, like a dark blue. You think? 1 second. Good, so I'm gonna key it in 60 seconds.